I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and let's create random passwords from a set of user-defined characters. So like always, I'm going to create a new cargo project, and we'll give this an absurdly long name. Namely, create random passwords from a set of user-defined characters. Obscene. Okay. Change into that directory. Let's update the cargo.toml and add the rand crate as a dependency, specifically version 0.8.5. Let's save that. Open main.rs and then compress the file explorer on the left. So we're not going to have any use statements outside our main function body. It's just everything's going to be inside. And today we're going to randomly generate a string of a given length, ASCII characters, and we're going to use custom user-defined byte string with genRange. So to start, we'll put our use statement inside our main function body, and we're going to use rand RNG. Then we'll declare a const called charset type reference to array of U8. And this will be B. And then here I'm going to type out a bunch of characters. Okay. Then a new line. Right. One more line. Here we'll do numbers, parentheses, asterisk, ampersand, whatever, caret, I guess, up caret, percent sign, dollar sign, pound sign, at symbol, exclamation, and then a tilde. And we're done. Okay. Great. Now let's bind a const called password len of use size type, and the value will be 30. So our password will be 30 characters long. Next, let's do mutable RNG. It's rand thread RNG. Okay, and now password. Let password of type string equals 0 password len. Oops. And then we're just doing line breaks to make it a little easier to read. Map pipe let idx, like index, equals RNG genRange 0 to char set dot len, and it's not inclusive of the rightmost value. And then we'll do a char set idx as char dot collect. Great. And then let's replace this print ln hello world with the debug format curly brackets and our password. Now we can save our file and do cargo run. It's downloading rand. And there's our password. Let's do it again. And one more time for good measure. If you like, we can make it a slightly shorter password. 10 characters. We could remove it so there's no lowercase values. And there you have it. We created random passwords from a set of user-defined characters in Rust using the rand crate. Thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and I hope to see you next time.